Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Startup investors need to hone their skills in order to succeed over the long run. Key skills include evaluating teams, assessing products and markets, accessing financial capital, not only for the current round of funding, but for later stages, managing a portfolio of startup investments, including supporting the startup and generating exits. So for the product, ask, is it a vitamin or a painkiller? The vitamin makes you stronger and better, but it's a nice to have for the customer. The painkiller is more important to the customer and in some cases crucial. It's better to invest in painkillers than vitamins. For markets, you look for large markets, not small ones. Ask where in the life cycle is this market? Early stage, growing, maturing, or declining. You want a market that is growing or about to start growing because of a disruptive technology. It's important someone on the team knows the market very well. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.